Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. This shaver is 10-15 years old, so it is time for an upgrade. Hopefully the new one is faster and closer shaving. Another reason for this is I'm kind of getting a random pimple here and there, and I think my skincare routine has been really good for the past year. I've made multiple videos on it, but I do remember reading a Reddit thread talking about an old shaver. If it's dirty, definitely clean it. I don't think that's my problem because I use 90% isopropyl alcohol after every shave. But if the blades are dull, they could pull and tear hair, cause irritation. And this is $20 to replace. This top part is $50. So if I'm spending $70, this is $150. It's $200 at Costco, but there is $50 off right now. I thought I would see if technology has improved. Let's go test them out. I'm gonna be as scientific as I can. We're going one pass with this one, and then one pass with this one. See which one is looking cleaner. I immediately heard this one is louder. We'll go multiple passes. This one over here. This side does look a little cleaner after the 5 pass. We'll go a little bit more. This isn't a great comparison because these blades are dull and I can feel it pulling on the hairs a little bit more. This one automatically feels pretty smooth, but still a little bit pulling on the hair. I might keep this one just because it's quieter. Let's see how they work on the head. So far they both feel pretty similar in closeness of shave and speed. The new one is maybe a little bit better just because the blades are new. It also tends to leak a little bit more hair as I'm working because probably less space in here for the shavings. Compared to this one, there's more space in here. But this one, we have to replace these blades and this piece, whereas the Braun, we only have to buy this one part here, and it's a little trickier to get off. Let's end with the top, trying to go one pass. Compare to this one. Now we'll do the 5 passes. I'll have to review the footage to see which one we're keeping. I'm liking this one just for the noise, but for now, video 227 done. Quick update, I was initially unsure, but after using it for a few days, it is clearly smoother, faster, gentler, all around better, quieter. Definitely keeping it.